Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Messages versus Message Plus. Let's start with the introduction. Confused between which messaging app to use between Messages versus Message Plus? We will make it easy for you. Today we have IM services which are very fast, but when the cell phone came in the market, there was no IM services. In that time, there used to be text messages with word limit like Twitter. It was one of the most useful features except for calling. The SMS service keeps developing throughout the time. It developed a lot of features from then to now. When the IM services came in play, these SMS services fade away somewhere. We will discuss some of the best SMS apps available for Android phones. We will talk about which one is best and how you can get it. Starting with the first, Google Message. It is a messaging app developed by Google. This is a very light app. It is used for free. It has a lot of features. This app is very simple and user friendly. It has both light and dark mode. It also has an inbuilt message blocking feature. If the both user has Google Message installed, it also works on the IM service. You can even use this app on your computer. As this app is from Google, it has extensions over Google Chrome to make your life easy. Second one is Message Plus. This app is also known as Verzian Messages. This is also one of the most popular messages app. This app has a lot of features packed in. It is free to use. This app comes with a lot of third-party integration like Yahoo Media Search, Yelp, etc. You can also send gift cards to your family and friends using this app. This app also features driving mode, which is very helpful when you are driving. This app also has the functionality of sync across all of your devices. Third one is SMS Organizer by Microsoft. This app comes from the house of Microsoft. This is free to use app. As this app comes from Microsoft, you have not to think about privacy issues. It comes with a lot of features. It will allow you to sort the messages according to the type of messages. This app also has a message blocking function. This app will give you reminders about upcoming shipment deliveries, and it also has a function to delete spam messages automatically. Next is Samsung Messages. As the name suggests, it comes from the house of Samsung. This app is preloaded in all of the Samsung phones by default. This is one of the lightweighted apps with lot of features. This app not only works with SMS but also is very helpful in using MMS. It has also had message blocking feature. This app has no privacy issue as it is from Samsung. Fifth one is Facebook Messenger. This app is from Facebook. This is free to use, but it is big in size. It has a lot of features available. It will allow you not only to chat over Facebook, but also it shows your messages in one place. This app also has a blocking function. You can send images, other media files over SMS if both the user has Facebook Messenger. Last but not the least conclusion, Messages versus Message Plus. SMS is one of the things we daily use. Having an excellent messaging app is much needed. We have compared some messaging apps for you. Before using any of the untrusted apps, check the privacy policy of the app and give only permissions which is needed because SMS is very private to us and we cannot share our private data. Try out the apps. I use Google Message. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.